Hello everybody. My name is Vania Hernandez Cisneros. I'm from Peru. I am Peruvian. Linica and in a 17-year-old day. I am happy to be here and waiting to tell you about my friend, my old Peruvian food and lucky pizza. Nai docte nai que is país for the I long listen to music and I nai or chin music. I don't like play video games. In my free time and like spending time in family and work in day by. I can play that I I am from the part and I have to or you. That's you nice to me.